RoofPax here, and thanks for your interest in our products. Our family-owned business is made up of avid travelers and weekend warriors, so we're dedicated to building equipment for all things travel. Introducing the RoofPax Home and Auto Inflator. This is your one-stop shop for all inflation needs, be it tires, sports equipment, bicycles, or even mattresses. Our unique product boasts a powerful 2-motor, 3-power option with the ability to inflate and deflate. Just plug into a 12-volt DC auto outlet for car use, a 110-volt outlet for home use, or even use our included 20-volt lithium-ion battery for on-the-go usage. Our product has a digital LCD gauge for pressure monitoring, an LED light to brighten up your work area, and a carrying case for safe storage. This inflator has it all. Lightweight, easy to store, and best of all, easy to use. RoofPax. Travel more, worry less.